chopper, Lee and that.
Chopper, knobber.
And we're playing the strong hand to get the players. Match play, better ball, straight up.
They're going to lose, we're going to win. Simples.
Go. His glasses, Matt. You can't see how far
it is
he's
all
on
about
the
the glasses. How far we got, Matt? A bit further than I hit it.
Shot.
I think I had them shorts in the Sampness.
Stay.
Oh, shit.
That is a bad one, isn't it? Could be a long afternoon, this.
I hope someone's counting how many times I've moved. Right, there you go. Well, is that close enough to give it, yeah?
I was going to say, he's gradually moving it closer to the hole, hasn't he? Right to left, Lee.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, defo.
What stroke index is this?
13.
No shots here then.
What shots did you get then, boy?
5'11". I'm 10.
Yes. 6. That sounds hard. Good on the tee. Oh! What you need it? What? Oh, look at that. No, green. Good job I got a partner. What you hit there, Matt? Oh, shit. That in trouble.
In that stinky bunker, innit?
Bit roasty, roasty. Told you, not on that yet, bro. Oh, shot!
Sit.
Yeah, good shot.
But
Good part.
Oh yeah, I can see yours too. Pressure, is it? I always struggle with those left to righters. What about you, Nova? Twitchy, it's very twitchy.
Oh, straight, just straight.
Oh, too easy for the stabby muck stab face, that wasn't it? Huh? Go on, Uncle Ben.
Landscape.
You'd be far safer walking out in the middle of the fairway, wouldn't he? That's definitely not the place to be walking. Yeah.
He's put his bum up. Where is he?
He's in prime. Attempting to run. He's in prime position for me to take him out. Anywhere left, he'd have been fine.
He's now in prime landing area.
Ah.
What is that shirt he's wearing?
Yeah, what is that, mate?
He nicked off him up.
Yeah, is that your mum's shirt?
Oh, that was protecting Mr. Millington, that was.
It was, yeah. Have I got the wrong club here, Mark? Because you hit that about 20 yards.
I just wonder if you laid off it because they put the teeth for it. I need a driver, seriously.
Got this.
Too easy, innit?
That's a lot farther, really.
Yeah, but I am 10 iron versus the driver. I'll quite happily take that. Ooh!
Shot.
One.
I didn't see that.
Some of that say it.
Just the power. It was like whoosh. Yeah, it's the whoosh.
You wait till you want to get a shit, man.
Ooh.
Is that the gayest ring tune ever, or what?
Oh, I didn't put him off there.
That's in the rubbish.
No, it's not. Perfect.
Lots of all for that, isn't it?
Well, good now.
What were you doing?
What's this to change? It's like my original one since you chose that one for me.
Yeah, yeah. Shot.
What in the bunker?
Oh, that inch makes all the difference, Suli, doesn't it?